So here is an ingredient which is stronger than Botox. Use this treatment to get rid of all traces of wrinkles. Use this treatment to look younger than your age. Use this remedy to make sure you are looking more beautiful all the time. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing to this channel if you love beauty tips, because I share so many health tips, beauty tips, tips that will help to make sure your skin is glowing so beautifully with no makeup. So do continue watching because the ingredients are so perfect, like very potent to make sure you achieve great skin. So the mission here is to get rid of wrinkles, tighten those saggy skin. If you have saggy skin, this will help to lift the saggy skin, get rid of wrinkles on your neck, remove wrinkles around your eyes and puffy eyes and the rest. So you will stay younger all the time and you will look younger. The first ingredient you have to get here is coffee. I love coffee so much. So here is coffee, like the one you use in making your tea, early morning tea. So coffee contains powerful antioxidant that helps so well to tighten saggy skin. It helps to get rid of all traces of wrinkles. With continuous use, you will never regret it. This is not only edible, okay? Applying it on your skin will do a great job. So in case you have fine lines are those lines around here, laugh lines, all those smile lines. So this will help greatly. With consistent use, you will not see them anymore. Your skin will plump up and look better. So another ingredient you should get here is cornstarch. So here is another wonderful one. I love cornstarch so well. This is very perfect for all skin type, but mostly for those that have oily skin, because it helps to absorb so much oil from your skin, keeping your skin looking so beautiful, so flawless. Another thing is very exfoliating. It helps to exfoliate your skin, getting rid of dead skin cells, which makes your skin looking so dull. At the end of this, your skin will look so bright, looking so clear and beautiful. One more thing I love about cornstarch or corn flour is the way it fights free radical damage. Okay, it helps to protect your skin a lot, removing all those free radical damage that makes your skin age faster. You will age backwardly instead of aging faster. So that is the mission. We need oil in this treatment, and that oil is castor oil. Castor oil is not only for the hair, okay, it's not only for hair growth. You can as well make use of it on a little dose, like just few drops for your skincare treatment. It will help greatly. It helps to tighten and lift a saggy skin, helping also to make sure it fights free radical damage that makes your skin age faster. But if you do not have castor oil, you can make use of vitamin E oil and you will achieve the same result. Before showing you the last ingredient, we are going to do some mixing. I will show you the right amount to use for one or twice use. So you have to get a clean bowl for mixing and get your spoon. Okay, get your spoon. The first ingredient you have to add in here is cornstarch. In case you don't have cornstarch, you can make use of rice powder. Rice powder is also another ingredient which is very powerful also at tightening, lifting a saggy skin, exfoliating your skin to remove dead skin cells. Also contains brightening effect. So if you do not have cornstarch, go for rice powder and you're all good. So measure cornstarch 1 tablespoon into this bowl. Just 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Then you have to measure your coffee. Yes, measure half tablespoon of coffee into that cornstarch in the bowl. Then after that, you have to go ahead and add castor oil. Just little amount, few drops, about 5 drops of castor oil, which is like half teaspoon, not this one, half teaspoon, okay, of castor oil. Add it into that remedy. If you want to make use of vitamin E oil in place of this, just get about 2 capsules of vitamin E oil, pop it into that remedy and you're all good. So after that, get your rose water. Yes, rose water is perfect. It's for all skin type. It helps to balance the skin pH, perfectly natural. I love rose water so well because of the glowing effect it leaves the skin. It cleanses the skin so well, removing irritation. It helps to balance your skin, to remove all this so much oily skin. It helps to moisturize your skin, to keep your skin not dried out, just for all skin type, okay? And so mild, okay, not harsh for sensitive skin. So what you have to do is to be adding it into that remedy, adding it, using it to be mixing it. Do not let this remedy to turn so watery. Be adding it little by little, be turning the remedy until the remedy turns a thick paste. Please do not allow that treatment to be watery. Do not allow it to be so strong. In place of rose water, make use of ordinary water, a lukewarm water. But it's always best to get the benefits, okay, from this rose water. The water is just for mixing, it's just something to turn it into the way you want. But this rose water, you benefit so much from it. If you have rose water, you can actually make use of it as a facial toner. Early morning, use it to clean your face. At night, before you go to bed, use it to clean your face, and you see your skin looking so renewed, so fresh the next day. So mix these treatments, mix them up together. You will see how wonderful this remedy will be smelling. Like, it smells really nice, and that is because of the coffee. Yeah, I love the smell of coffee so well. Mix this treatment and apply it on a washed face. Make sure you wash off all makeups, remove all dirt, okay? Just remove all dirt. Then apply this treatment upwardly. Just apply it all over your skin. Go ahead and apply it under your eyes. This is going to help to get rid of those eye wrinkles, preventing saggy skin, keeping your skin wet, tighter, and younger. After applying this treatment, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, then use a lukewarm water to wash it off, and you're all good. So when this treatment is about to get dried, within that 15-20 minutes, you will notice the tightening effect of your skin. Wonderful. This is to tell you that this is actually penetrating and working well. Just make sure you wash your face, remove all makeup before you apply this treatment. If you make use of this treatment, you will never regret it. You will be addicted to this. This is stronger than Botox and very effective, and that is because it's highly natural. There's no side effects, okay? There's no side effects. You will not be afraid of anything there. All the ingredients are perfectly natural. Obtain that youthful glow, obtain that younger skin with this natural treatment, and you never regret it. So use this treatment 3 times weekly. You're also free to make use of it every day, okay? 3 times weekly for best result. Keep the remaining in the refrigerator to use it next time. You will love your skin so well, okay? Wash it off and apply a light moisturizer, and you're all good. Your skin will look so flawless. Your skin will look so younger. Your skin will look so beautiful all the time. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.